Got a nice little whirlpool forming here. More rainwater coming down. Yeah, the place where I was about to just jump to just kind of washed away. So, changed my mind. I'm going to walk down the other side of the creek and see if I can find a better spot. Because the spot that I normally jump over right here, it's not gonna, I'm not gonna, no. There's a significant amount of soil that's washing away. A significant amount. Oh my goodness, there's the waterfall inlet. This is all super swampy. This is all riparian here. Walking through club moss.